Hello guys, today I'll show you how to change your drain and fill your oil on this is 2021 530i. This is the B46 engine. In the US it's B46, and some other parts of the world it's B48. But if you know, maybe you know, maybe you don't know, B46, B48 essentially the same engine minus some of the emission stuff. Just have stricter emissions here in the US, so we received the B46 instead. So anyways, what I do usually is get the 3-year unlimited miles oil change from BMW, which gives you oil changes, only oil changes every 10,000 miles. All right, and then what I do is every 5,000 miles. So like, let's say I changed the oil at the dealership 5,000 miles ago, and now it's 5,000, we're like 5,000 right in the middle between the next oil change from the dealership. I go and get the oil, no filter. You don't need to do the filter, so you don't need to mess with that stuff. Just get the oil, and this is from Walmart. This is the recommended oil, 020 LL17 FE plus. This is around $46 I think online, something like that, and then you can buy it. This is 5 quarts, and this car takes about 5.4 quarts I think. So by the time you drain it, you know, there's maybe half a quart or less than that left in the engine, but you can top it off with your choice of oil. I have a leftover oil from last oil change from the previous X5 laying around, so I'll just use that to top it off. But you can get 2 of these jugs and fill as needed. So all you need is a 17mm socket, 17mm socket here, and then there is an access hole. Here's the plug. Once you take the plug out, you take this washer, rotate it, and put it back so you can reuse it. You want to go ahead and buy a washer, that's up to you. This comes with the filter. If you're changing the filter, you'll get the washer, and the filter is right here. You just have to be careful, you know, with your way around here and not drip oil on the computer and all that jazz. I'm not willing to deal with that for now. And then there's an access port here. Basically this, you rotate it, you open that hole. I jacked up the car from this cross membrane here. The oil is almost done draining, so we'll put the plug back, drain the oil, and then you fill the oil again. That's it. I'm gonna fill these 5 quarts, check the oil level in the computer, and then if needed, I have leftovers oil, like I said, fill it up a little more, and that's your drain and fill, oil and drain and fill on this B46 engine in a nutshell. The filter is right there, probably 22mm, that nut over there, or you can get the actual socket for it. It's up to you. But I find it more convenient to do the oil change at the dealership every 10,000 miles, and then in between I just drain the oil and fill up again. And that's it. Next I will be changing the air filter and the spark plug, so stay tuned for more videos. Anyways, hope you find this helpful. Take care and see you in the next one.